What's up, Scampers? Welcome back. I did not expect to be back making another video about my windows so soon after showing you all how I cleaned them, but I got a little too rowdy on my last trip out and I broke this wing that holds my shade in place. So let me show you what I'm going to do about it. If you look over here on the side that isn't damaged, you can see this wing is what holds the tensioner in place. That tensioner is what puts the tension on the line that allows you to keep the blinds open. So over here on the side that's broken, I just sort of had it wrapped around the piece that was left over to create that tension, but this wing completely snapped and broke off, so I'm going to replace it and I'm going to walk you through it. I have owned several RVs with this type of blind, and I know that these strings eventually wear out, they fray and they snap, so they do require being restrung from time to time. But for now, I'm not at that point in the life of these blinds. All I need to do is replace this wing so I can apply the tension and be able to open and shut my blinds. This should be a pretty easy fix. The hardest part was finding the part itself. I went onto the Scamp website into their parts department and they didn't have it listed online yet. So I got in touch with somebody over there and they said they do have them, they just don't have them on the website yet. So I can't actually link this for you in the description like I normally do, but I ordered two thinking that I would want a spare because it's sort of like a fragile part in the Scamp that might become a problem again. But when I ordered two, I actually got four. So if you order one, you actually get a set of two. So keep that in mind if you go through Scamp's part department like I did. But now I have plenty in case this ever becomes a problem again. The very first thing I want to do is create some working space for myself and make sure that this string doesn't get sucked up into the blinds when I take this screw out right here. I don't want it to get sucked up in and have to fish it back out. So I'm just going to take a rusty old pair of vice grips, put it here at the base of the blinds and pinch it down. That'll keep the blinds out of the way so I can work here. And it'll also keep the string from getting sucked up into the blinds as I work. So it'll save me a step of trying to refeed it through the blinds if that were to happen. Now I can use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the broken pieces that are still attached to the window here. Making sure I don't lose the screw so I can put that back in. Next, I can remove the screw that's holding this in place right here. Easy peasy. This part can stay exactly the way it is. I can just discard the old piece, attach this to the new piece. Now I can just attach the new wing exactly where the old wing was, using the same hardware. I want to get this tight, but not too tight because I definitely don't want to crack that plastic again. That's what caused the issue in the first place. With the new wing in place, I can remove the vice grips and see if I need to adjust the tension at all. Perfect. You'll know the tension is correct when you can put the blinds halfway up and they stay. That's how you know you've got it just right. But I didn't even have to adjust anything. That was a really simple fix. There you have it. That was a super easy fix. Took less than 5 minutes. Anybody can do it. I'm just going to cover this stuff as it crops up. And when it comes time to restring the blinds, I'll cover that too. But for now, this was an easy one. I hope it helps somebody out there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out some other videos while you're here. And until next time, happy scamping.